Alright, today I'm unboxing the Nothing Phone 3A in blue. This device, available for $379 via Nothing's US beta program, check the description for the link, comes loaded with 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery. You'll also get a stunning 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display hitting 3000 nits, a triple camera system with 30x ultra zoom, and it runs Nothing OS 3. Now that we've covered the key features, let's dive into the unboxing and then put it to the real test: Verizon network performance here in the US. Unboxing the Phone 3A is typical Nothing. Phone, USB-C cable, no longer transparent unfortunately, SIM tool documentation, and pre-applied screen protector. I'll skip the on-screen setup, just know I'm going through the standard prompts and app installs to get right to the Verizon connectivity. Critically, no out-of-the-box settings are being changed before we attempt to activate it on Verizon. Quick note, the Phone 3A is physical SIM only, while the 3A Pro has eSIM. I don't recommend attempting the eSIM on the 3A Pro for Verizon or AT&T though, due to potential whitelisting issues. Remember, T-Mobile networks are usually easier for Nothing devices here in the US. But the big question is always Verizon. So to answer that for the Phone 3A, I first got a physical Verizon SIM activated on a device they fully support, my Galaxy S25 Edge in this case. I just told them I swap phones a lot. After confirming the SIM was active for a week on the Edge, I'm now going to pop this into the Nothing Phone 3A, and look at that, it connected to Verizon immediately. Bottom line, on Verizon for the Nothing Phone 3A, here in the Metro Detroit, Michigan area, after a full day, all of my RCS texts worked, and I also had no dropped calls or coverage loss during my use of this device and a physical Verizon SIM. While I can't officially recommend it since Verizon doesn't directly support it, my experience so far has been flawless. Just be aware of that. For the Phone 3A Pro on Verizon, I'd still aim for a physical SIM to avoid any potential eSIM setup issues. For me, choosing this 3A came down to the unique camera design and this great blue color that truly sets it apart. I'll continue testing the Nothing Phone 3A on Verizon over the next few weeks and provide a complete update in my full review, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. I also have some travel planned and will definitely take this phone along to see how it performs on the go in other states across the US and potentially how it handles roaming in Canada. Are you ordering a 3A or 3A Pro? Which carrier are you using in the US if so? And what has your experience been so far if you've already activated one? For any specific questions or features you'd like to see covered in my full Nothing Phone 3A review, let me know in the comments down below. I look forward to the discussions, and as always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.